Introducing our simple camera handler plugin. Designed for seamless 3D interaction, this tool lets you explore objects from every angle, with ease. Use a single finger swipe to rotate the object effortlessly, or a two-finger swipe to pan across the grid and examine the object from different perspectives. Using two fingers, pinch to zoom in and out, allowing you to get up close or take a step back. Need a quick view from specific angles? Tap the button at the bottom of the screen to switch between 9 preset camera angles instantly. For even more control, use the drop-down menu at the top to select your preferred camera preset. With this plugin, navigating 3D space has never been smoother or more intuitive. The simple camera handler plugin is now available on desktop, iOS, and Android. Download it from the Unity Asset Store and enhance your projects today.